Hi, my name is Claudia, and today we will see how to order in a restaurant in Spanish. So, are you hungry? So, probably the first thing that you will say would be, Tengo hambre, or I'm hungry. Okay? And if you want to ask someone to eat with you outside, vamos a comer, shall we eat something out? Okay? Okay, so uh, you would say, what would you like to eat or what would you like to do? So, what would you like as ¿qué te gustaría? ¿Qué te gustaría comer? What would you like to eat? ¿Qué te gustaría hacer? What would you like to do? And to reply to that, we will say, oh, me gustaría ir a comer algo. I would like to go and eat something. Or, me gustaría ir a un restaurante. I would like to go to some restaurant. Or, you could say, me gustaría pedir algo de comer. I would like to order something to eat if you don't feel like to go out. Okay, let's check again. Me gustaría. Me gustaría ir a comer algo. I would like to eat something, to go and eat something. Me gustaría ir a un restaurante. I would like to go to a restaurant. Me gustaría pedir algo de comer. I would like to order something to eat. Okay, bien. So if you decided that you were going to a restaurant, so let's go to a restaurant, right? Vamos a un restaurante, entonces. En el restaurante, at the restaurant, the first thing that probably you will be asked will be how many, or a table for how many. So the answer will be una mesa para dos, por favor. If you are two, it is two of you, a table for two, please. Una mesa para dos, por favor. Table for two, please. And the other thing right now would be like if you would like to eat inside or if you would like to eat outside. So if you would like to eat inside, you would say, nos gustaría una mesa adentro, por favor. Or nos gustaría adentro, por favor. And that would be, we would like to eat inside. And if you decided that you prefer to be outside, you will say, nos gustaría afuera, por favor. O nos gustaría una mesa afuera, por favor. We would like a table outside, please. Or we would like outside, please. Okay. Bien. Okay. So once that you are already in the restaurant, the first thing that the waiter or it's going to ask you is, what would you like to drink? In Colombia, for example, to drink is tomar. Even when tomar has another meanings, in this case, it is to drink. So he or she would ask you, ¿qué les gustaría tomar? What would you like to drink? ¿Qué les gustaría tomar? What would you like to drink? Me gustaría un vaso de agua, por favor. I would like a glass of water, please. Me gustaría un vaso de agua, por favor. I would like a glass of water, please. Or if you like other thing from the menu, me gustaría una limonada de coco, por favor. I would like a coconut lemonade, please. Me gustaría una limonada de coco, por favor. I would like a coconut lemonade, please. And if you would like a beer, so me gustaría una cerveza, por favor. I would like a beer, please. Me gustaría una cerveza, por favor. Okay, so now you have your drinks, and so the waiter will ask you about what do you like a main dish. So you could ask like, what is the recommendation or what is the suggestion? And to ask that, you will say, ¿cuál es la recomendación de la casa? What do you suggest? What do you recommend us? ¿Cuál es la recomendación de la casa? And then the waiter will tell you what is the main or the special dish in that restaurant. And then you will decide. So, gracias. Voy a pedir el pollo con arroz y aguacate. So, thank you. I'm going to order chicken with rice and avocado. Okay. Entonces, gracias. Voy a pedir el pollo con arroz y aguacate. Oh, thank you. I'm going to order the rice with the chicken with rice and avocado. Okay. Muy bien. So you already have all of this. So the waiter probably will come here and ask you, ¿Está todo bien? Is everything okay? Is there something else that you need? ¿Necesitan algo más? Entonces, is everything okay? ¿Está todo bien? And do you need anything else? Or do you want anything else? ¿Quieren algo más? ¿Necesitan algo más? Okay. Muy bien. And then, of course, if you would like to order a dessert. So, ¿tienen postres? Postres? Do you have a dessert? ¿Tienen postres? And then after the waiter will tell you what are the desserts, so you can order one. So in this case, the name of this dessert is turrón de la casa. So you will say, nos gustaría pedir el turrón de la casa. So we would like to order el turrón de la casa. Or any dessert. Nos gustaría pedir un cheesecake. Nos gustaría pedir una torta de chocolate. Fresa chocolate cake. And then after that, maybe you'd like a cup of coffee, right? Or maybe some glass of water or something like that. So it is the same. Me gustaría un café, por favor. I would like coffee, please. Me gustaría un café, por favor. I would like a cup of coffee, please. Okay, muy bien. And then, finally, so you will ask for the bill, right? So we have some like gesture that we do in a restaurant, and it is just like this, and it means la cuenta, por favor. So it means bring me the bill, please. So you could ask la cuenta, por favor. ¿Sí? La cuenta, the bill, please. And probably you will be asked if you want to pay by cash or by credit card. So, ¿desea pagar en efectivo o en tarjeta? Do you want to pay in cash or in card or by card? Entonces, ¿desea pagar en efectivo o en tarjeta? Would you like to, or do you want to pay by cash or by card? Okay. Bien. And then that's all for today. So, ¿tienes hambre hoy?